Since I was a kid, I grew up with the ministry of the pastors brought by Carrie. What they brought to me was more than just teachings, more than just the lectures. But what they truly brought to me was love, guidance, and encouragement. These people have shaped and carved the way I think about life, and most importantly, they pointed me to my Savior, Jesus Christ. And when I look back, I realized that Carrie was not just an organization sending teachers. It was a ministry of hearts, servants of God who carried with them the gospel with humility and compassion. Through their time, patience, and sacrifice, they planted seeds that continue to bear fruit in my life and the lives of others. You taught us that ministry is not about prestige, but it's about service. Not about popularity, but faithfulness. And not about human wisdom, but Christ's power working in weakness. Every pastor, every teacher, every lesson reminded us that the glory belongs to God alone. So today I stand here with deep gratitude. Thank you, Carrie International Pastor Training, for investing in lives like me. Your ministry is a testimony that when God's people are faithful to teach His Word, generations can be changed. And I am one of those changed lives. And I will always carry with me the love and truth that you have shared. May the Lord bless Carrie International Pastor Training, that you may continue to equip more servants, reach more nations, and glorify Christ in every heart you touch. Thank you, and to God be all the glory.